Okay, now here we will talk for the Ohm's law. So Ohm's law, you know in the 10th class also, if the physical condition of a conductor remain unchanged. So what are the physical condition? That is a length, temperature, pressure, etc., etc. Then V is proportional to I. The potential is directly proportional to the current is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor. V proportional to I. If I remove this proportionality, here I have R. So V is equal to IR. R is equal to V upon I, where this R is called resistance and its unit is ohm. This we have the symbol ohm. So V proportional to I. If we can draw the graph between V and I, so we will get the state graph of this conditions. And now what are the limitation? What are the limitation? So first limitation we have physical condition. Physical condition must be constant or remain unchanged, and second one, no strain is produced. No strain is produced. So these are the two physical conditions. So here we will talk the resistance. What is resistance? The interference in the flow of the current is called the resistance, and its unit is ohm. Its unit is ohm. There are two types of resistance we have: external resistance, that is we allow the rheostat, plug key, etc., etc. So they are, we have external resistance, capital R, okay, and second one internal resistance. So resistance which is offered by the electrolyte of the cell is called the internal resistance. It is represented by small r. Its unit is also ohm. Now we can here talk the combine of resistance. This you have talk in the class 10th also. Same we have series combination. So in this series combination we get R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and second one we have the parallel combination. So in the parallel combination we get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So for series circuit we have this one, okay, this we have for the series circuit R1, R2 and R3, and for the parallel combination we can take 3 resistance or more resistance and we can connect like this, okay, we can connect like this. Possible the laws of resistance. Now here is we can talk the law of resistance. So we know that the R proportional to L, equation number 1, R is inversely proportional to 1 upon area, or inversely proportional, that is area ke inversely proportional. So from first and second we will get R proportional to L upon A. Remove this proportionality, here is rho L upon A. So rho is equal to, I find R A upon L, where this rho is called the resistivity, okay, this rho is called the resistivity of the metal. For different metal we have the different resistivity, from there we can find. And now here we will talk about the conductance. So we have the reciprocal of resistance is called the conductance. So conductance is equal to reciprocal of resistance, that means 1 upon resistance, and what is of its unit? Ohm. So we can write ohm inverse. This is also we can write the mho, MHO, or we can write the Simon.